frankly fed up of this layer of grey across the country. The satellite picture is very similar to what it looked like yesterday, the day before as well, but things are about to change and more sunshine is on the way, but not just yet. This afternoon, it's still those low grey skies across the country, shrouding the hilltops, poor visibility as well, drizzle almost anywhere across the country. Values, as far as the temperatures are concerned, around about 8 to 10 degrees. The wettest of our weather, possibly across the northeast of England into Scotland during the second half of the afternoon. And the further west you are, the more chance you have of seeing some of that milky brightness coming through. But overall, it's still going to be fairly cloudy wherever you look across the country today. Now into the southwest, again, dribs and drabs of drizzle, temperatures hovering around about 12 degrees in Plymouth and all along the south coast from Torquay through the Isle of Wight, and then land into the London area. Again, it's a cloudy picture for the second half of the day. Now, as I say, changes on the way. We've had grey skies for quite some time, and tomorrow our skies will look a little bit more cheerful with blue skies, not for everybody, but certainly for the majority of the country. So let me explain what's happening. Well, first of all, tonight we have an area of rain sweeping our way from the Atlantic. It'll wash all of that cloud away, hopefully, as it moves towards the east, and behind it we're going to see much fresher, clearer weather setting in. So that means that tomorrow morning already a lot of us will be waking up to virtually blue skies for some of us across the southwest Wales. And then as we go through the morning into the afternoon, more and more sunshine will engulf the country. So the feel of things tomorrow will be very, very different, a much more pleasant day. And as a result, it'll feel warmer and temperatures getting up to around about 13 degrees. So that was Friday. Changes are on the way for the weekend yet again. In fact, spells of rain crossing the country. And it's not just the rainfall, it's some strong, gusty winds too. In fact, Saturday's not just the wet and the windy day. We've got Saturday night some very strong winds coming in from the Atlantic, gale force winds, particularly across western parts of the UK. And to add insult to injury, Sunday is going to be another blustery wet day. In fact, as we head through Sunday night, particularly across southern parts of the UK, we can expect some very, very strong winds. So the unsettled theme will not just last through the weekend, but beyond the weekend into next week as well. Lots of isobars, lots of fronts, so that can only mean one thing: very autumnal weather conditions. So in summary, tomorrow, a better day than what we've had in the last few. That's it.
Thomas, thank you very much.